Dear students, you are watching Dev's Academy. Previously, we have discussed about polynomials with degree 2. Today, we will discuss polynomials of degree 3. That means cubic polynomial. At first, we have to go through the formulae. To establish the formulae, try to follow me and have a great attention to my board. Just see what I am saying and what is written in the board. Just see that if alpha, beta, and gamma be the zeros of a cubic polynomial, that is fx equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0, and x minus alpha, x minus beta and x minus gamma are the factors of fx. Fx means function of x, that is polynomial. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to k into x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, where k is a constant. Remember, k is constant. That is k equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. Therefore, if we go more closely, then by withdrawing the bracket, we will get kx cube minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus k into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus k into alpha beta gamma. Therefore, this is the polynomial. Now, comparing the like powers of x on both sides, we have k equal to a and minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to b, k into alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c, and k into alpha beta gamma equal to d. If you can understand this formula clearly, you can solve any type of this type cubic polynomials. Therefore, we can now write that sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, and alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a. This is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a, that is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, and the product of the roots, that is alpha into beta into gamma equal to d by a, minus d by a, that is minus d by a equal to minus constant term by coefficient of x. If you go through this formula, then you can easily solve all the problems regarding cubic polynomial. Just go through let us go through one example. Verify that 5, minus 2 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial px equal to 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. This is the cubic polynomial. As because it is a cubic polynomial, it has got 3 roots, and the roots are 5, minus 2 and 1 by 3. We have also to verify the relation between the zeros of coefficient. The coefficient of x cube, that is a equal to 3, coefficient of x square that is b equal to minus 10, coefficient of c, that is c equal to coefficient of x, that is c equal to minus 27, and the constant term, that is d. Now the given polynomial, that is px equal to 3x square minus 10x square, 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. Therefore p5, the value of p5, when we will produce 5 as a value of x, then it is 0. When p minus 2, when the value of x equal to minus 2, that is also 0. And when x equal to minus 1 by 3, it is also 0. As because all these are 0, therefore 5, minus 2 and 1 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. It is verified one. And again alpha plus beta plus gamma, according to this formula, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a. Minus b equal to minus of minus 10 by 3, that is coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. It is all the same, that is 10 by 3. 10 by 3, because b equal to minus 10, minus of minus 10 equal to plus 10 by 3, and alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to minus 27 by 3. This is c by a, that is minus c equal to minus 27 and a equal to 3. And product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma equal to minus 10 by 3, that is minus constant term, that is minus 10, and coefficient of x, that is 3. All are verified. Now question number 2, find a cubic polynomial whose zeros are half, 1 and minus 3. Here alpha equal to half, beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to minus 3. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 3 by 2. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to minus 4, and alpha beta gamma equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore the polynomial, according to the structure of the cubic polynomial, this is x cube minus alpha beta gamma equal to minus 3 by 2, that is minus of minus 3 by 2 x square, and alpha beta gamma alpha into x equal to minus 4. So minus 4 into x, and the constant term, that is alpha beta gamma, the product of the roots equal to minus 3 by 2. By multiplying the terms with 2, we will get 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3. This is the cubic polynomial, and this is answer. So if you go through the formula at first and try to understand it, then you can easily solve your problems. So this much today. Next day we will do some more problems. That's all today.